Dear viewers, welcome to another video in the series of Google Sheets graphical representation. In this video, we are going to understand about bubble chart. And to understand bubble chart, I have taken a data where we are analyzing how much revenue we made in a particular region. So the total sales regions are divided into north, south, central, east and west. How much revenue we are made in each of this. Out of this, how much profit we have made in each of this region, and number of clients with whom we are doing business in each of this region. So this information is available. So here I want to represent all these three information in a single chart. So if I select all these three and then click on insert and then click on chart, I get a kind of a stacked bar. So the stacked bar is, I'm going to minimize it so that it becomes easy for you to understand. So the stacked bar is one way of understanding this data. However, it may not really give you the information that you are looking for. Why it may not give you the information? Because you need to compare three dimensions in the single graph. You need to understand in terms of sales which region is doing good, in terms of profit which region is doing good, and in terms of number of clients which region is doing good. I need to have a chart which represents all these three in one go. So this is where I click on edit chart and I move to my chart editor, and here we have a chart which is, I'm going to use my drop down, so I'm going to use the chart type which is a bubble graph. So what is this bubble graph or bubble chart? So bubble chart, if I select this, the data get translated to something like this. This bubble chart can be further analyzed. There could be change in the size of the bubble, there could be change in the the position of this bubble, but at this point of time it is plotting the bubble based on the x-axis value and the y-axis value. And here the x-axis value is the total revenue that you have made, and the y-axis value is the profit that you have made. So less revenue, but still I got a more profit. You will get this central and west region where the revenue, for example, central region, the revenue is less but the profit is more. Whereas if you see some other region, the revenue is more but the profit is less. So you'll be able to analyze it. How to make changes to this chart, how to customize it, all this I have explained in a detailed video. So I will share the link so you can make use of that video. Thanks for your time.